Anioma State is a go. Yes. Anioma State is a go. If there's any link where we go vote, we'll bring and we'll begin vote. How will I say I'm wiser than my papa? My father's name is Ikechukwu. My father's name is not Adebayo. It's not Musa. It's not Ovie. It's not Rukewe. It's not Akpan. Then how can I tell myself that I'm not an Igbo man because I'm from Delta State? I'm from Dukwa East precisely. And Anioma State is the go. We've been in Delta State. If I take you to my village now, you go see Nakbai, I won't go by you. When I did my father's funeral, not because the friends that followed me who have been friends for years, they would have been wondering if I want to go and buy them. Because I'm inside bush and my people, they do farm work. They cultivate many things. There's no road to bring it out. And I see some people, some youths, wait, they say they go, they make comments where they shame me. Somebody go come and they say, because Nedimoko want to become a governor. Are you serious? Use your data to make research. Don't be using your data looking for a Google video and Bethesda video where you go watch with your data. Do research. If the mama way they use, they use Android phone, I will understand. And the Anioma State creation has been in existence. I'm sure it has been in this existence even before Honorable Nedimoko joined politics. And if you in Habia Poly from 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, you understand what I'm saying? Anytime we want to do now these two elections, the National Association of Delta State Students, it was always one-sided. It was always one-sided because we were made to believe from the attitude, from the treatment, we were made to believe that we're not real debtors. So is it not the time for us to create our own state? And I'm saying any senator from the southeast now, we don't support Nenwoko for this thing. Don't come let them shout cry of marginalization because this is the time. Though I don't know how they take the vote, but I call on all the senators from the south to support that bill. And Anioma State is a go. I support it full time. We've been in Delta State yet nothing they reach us. If I can't go my village, now thick forest a day. But my people they do enough farm work where they enough to feed people, but no road to bring it out. And you say me will remain. It's only person who no get brain. Now they do one thing over and over again and they expect different results. It's time for us to change. And Anioma State is a go. If there's a way we go vote, as masses may we go vote. How my name go be so now? I can't say I'm not an Igbo man.
Okay, my people, you all have listened to what this our brother from Okwan said. He's right. These are youths that have sense. And some of our youth in Anioma are saying, Senator Nedimoko, he is fighting for Anioma State creation, all because he wants to be governor. If Senator Nedimoko actualize Anioma State, come zone to southeast, we can unite with our brothers. Now the governor where won't be 1 kilo now. Governor seat, now ancestral throne. Is the governor seat ancestral throne? No. So all those people that goes about saying that Senator Nedimoko is just trying to actualize Anioma State to become a governor, make it become governor, we no go complain. People will get sense for Anioma no go complain. As far as they give us Anioma State. Look at what the boy said, that there is no development in his community, no road. If you go Kwanilana, you go see communities where be say for so many years they no get light. No development, nothing. Government just abandoned them. You go see many mumu people from those communities who they tell you, we are not Igbo, we are not Southeast, we are Niger Delta, we are South. People will not go figure sense. In this Anioma State that we find ourselves, our neighbors in these Delta states, they don't see us as Delta people because they know we are Igbo people. If you do school for Delta states, for non-Igbo speaking region, you can understand what they tell you. If they don't see your name for register, because you be Igbo person, they're going to treat you the way they treat our brothers for Southeast. And that's what he's saying. An Igbo speaking person is just in Delta State, but he is not part of Delta State in the heart of the non-Igbo speaking people in Delta State. That's just the fact. Those that schooled in Delta State, the Anioma people that schooled in Delta State, we testify to this. My own community, Ogume, for the past 12 years, we not they get light. We get enough crude there. We get crude there through my community, but we know they get light. And you will see so many people from my community telling you, we want to remain in Delta State. Oh, we are South. We are Niger Delta. We are not Southeast. We are not Igbo people. It's better a Fulani person keep ruling Nigeria. It's better outside person keep ruling Nigeria than an Igbo man to rule Nigeria. Mumu people, where do we get sense? Mumu. If to say we get so many people, they reason like this young man now for Anioma, with they are spoken, they talk like this. you go know say yes, we get people wey dey educated, people wey get common sense. You dey suffer, you still dey enjoy the sufferness because they don't train you from small pikin to believe say you not be Igbo. They don't train you from small pikin to believe say your brothers in the Southeast is your enemy. After Biafra work, everybody talk say they not be Igbo, they not be Igbo. They deceive yourself. Those people in Anioma that are deceiving themselves, let them keep deceiving themselves. Those ones who get sense know themselves. We are Igbo people. We are all expected to support Senator Nwoko and actualize Anioma State and make sure that we are being zoned to the Southeast where we belong. May Chukwu bless this our brother. Igbo Bofu, and nothing at all, nobody can divide us. Ishiawale.